Hi, welcome in my YouTube channel. Today, let us discuss about the problem. This problem is asked in CSIR NET November 2020 exam. This problem belongs to the section Real Analysis, which plays a major role in the contribution of the CSIR exam. Near about 40% contribution of CSIR exam is based on this only subject analysis, real analysis. Okay, it's asked near about 60 to 70 marks. Okay, so this problem is asked in CSIR net November 2020. Okay, and weightage is 4.75, where more than one option can be correct at a time. Okay, so without wasting any type of time, let us go on the problem and let us concentrate what does this problem give us the message. Okay, this problem in this problem we have given the two functions f and g. Okay, both are exponential functions. Okay, we are asked which of the following are true. Okay, option 1 says that both functions are uniformly continuous on the real line. Okay, option 2 says that f is uniformly continuous on every interval of the form a infinite, where a is any finite real number. Okay, and option 3 says that g is uniformly continuous on r, and option 4 says that their product is uniform continuous on r. Okay, I always start the problem, how do we think? Okay, solving problem has not much importance than our approach. Okay, our approach always matters than our solving. Okay, so how do we approach? Now we are asked whether uniformly continuous on r. Okay, there is a rule. Okay, to say that any function is uniformly continuous, same as saying that its limit exists finitely. Okay, its limit exists finitely. Now he talks about the uniformly continuous on r. Okay, let me check f on r. Let me check the limit x tend to infinity ff of x. Okay, limit x tend to infinity e to power minus x, which is nothing but e minus infinity, which is 0. Okay, so limit exist finitely. Okay, from left right. Okay, now let me check from left. Limit x tend to minus infinity. Okay, f of x, which is nothing but limit x tend to minus infinity e to power minus x, which is nothing but e of minus infinity, which is e to power infinity. So limit exists infinitely. So f is not uniformly continuous because limit doesn't exist finitely from the endpoints. Okay, if limit exists finitely in the endpoints, then that function is UC, but here f fails to be a UC. Therefore f of x is not UC on R, means uniformly continuous. Okay, so let me let me check about G as well. Okay, limit x tend to infinity gx equal limit x tend to infinity e minus, which is nothing but 0. Okay, so let me check at minus infinity, because we know that our real line system is nothing minus infinity, so we check from both endpoints. Okay, limit x tend to infinity, which is nothing but and which is 0. So limit exists finitely, therefore g is continuous, g is uniformly continuous. Okay, therefore gx is UC on R. Okay, now option first says that both f and g are juicy on R. That is false. Why? Because my f is not juicy. Okay, option second says that f is juicy on every interval of the form a infinity. Now, okay, at f at infinity is, okay, at the infinity limit. So clearly, at we have to check at the end points. Okay, at end point x tend to infinity, f of x is nothing, 0. Okay, so limit exists finitely. Now we have to check at a. Okay, since a is a finite real number. Okay, so limit x tend to a, limit x tend to a, f of x is nothing but limit x tend to a, e to power minus x, which is nothing but e to power minus a, which is nothing but e to power a. Since a is finite, so e to power a is also finite, and 1 upon e to power a is also less than 1. So always a finite number. Okay, if a is positive, if a is negative, then also if a is negative, then this will become greater than 1, but still remain a finite number. Okay, so limit exists finitely, limit exists finitely. Okay, limit exists finitely. Therefore my option third, option second is true. Okay, why option second is true? Because that talks about the special interval. Okay, although interval is an infinite whose left point is finite and right point is infinite. Okay, this interval is bounded from the left but unbounded from right. Okay, now we have to talk about third option, which we have already done. That is UC. We have proved, because limit exists at the end points are finite, so finiteness of the limit exist at the endpoints will imply that that functions continues uniformly. Okay, now last option talks about the product of this both functions. Okay, since my since my f of x since my f of x since my f of x is e to power x and gx is minus e to power minus x square. Okay, so product of this both function is nothing but this, and which is nothing but, let me take minus x common, 1 plus x. Okay, this. Okay, now limit x tend to infinity, because we have to talk on R about the product of these functions. Okay, so x tend to infinite, minus infinity, and this is 1 plus infinity is infinity, and this is nothing but minus infinity, which is 0. Okay, comes out to be 0. Now let me check at minus infinity. Limit x tend to minus infinite of product of these two functions. Okay, which is nothing but e to power minus x 1 plus x, and limit x tend to minus infinity, which is nothing but minus infinity of 1 minus infinity, which is nothing e infinity minus infinity, which is nothing but e to power minus infinity. Okay, and since we know that e to power minus infinity is nothing but 0, so limit exists finitely, so my product is also uniformly continuous. Therefore limit exists finitely at both endpoints. Okay, when endpoints limit exist finitely, therefore f of x gx equal e to power minus x square is UC on R. One may call it R, one may call R as minus infinity. Okay, therefore my fourth and my last and fourth option is also true. Okay, please share, subscribe and like my video. Okay, it gives me a real motivation. Okay, thanks for watching the video. I am again requesting you to share as much as you can, and like, subscribe, and so so I thought that I want that my channel should be spread easily, so Soonly I will start the series of lectures for real analysis, complex analysis, and every topic, modern algebra, linear algebra for CSIR net. Okay, thanks for watching the video.